Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2014 64 plate Range Rover Evoque. Now, this is the PureTech model, so it comes very well specified from the factory. We have the pleasure of knowing this vehicle. We supplied it to the previous keeper, who is a good friend of the business, bought quite a few cars off us, and is a local to ourselves. So the car itself is finished in Santorini Black metallic, which is a lovely colour and very desirable. We're riding on bright sparkle silver alloy wheels, so those are 19-inch 6-spoke alloys. Privacy glass to the back. Some nice features on the vehicle, so we'll walk around it. We've got front and rear parking sensors. We've got a nice dual exhaust to the back. Looking through to the boot, you've got split folding rear seats. You've got the parcel shelf there. Under here you'll find a space saver spare wheel instead of a tyre inflation kit, which is a lovely thing to have. I think a spare wheel is just more peace of mind. 12-volt power outlet in the back there. But all the bodywork seems to be in very nice order throughout. Riding on nice tyres. We've got lots of this sort of satin grey detailing all throughout the car, so on the side wings, on your side skirts, the front grille, the lowers of the front and rear bumpers. But then jumping inside, we've got an ebony black grained leather sports seat. So looking at the seats themselves, looking at the bolsters, the seat base, they're in very nice order. You can tell the car has been well cared for in its years of ownership. Looking through then to the back, that's the exact same story. So we've got 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. We've got a nice central armrest with 2 cup holders and a bit of central storage. Full panoramic glass roof, which looks superb. We've got netting to the rears of the front seats, a bit of storage in the centre there as well. Onto the door cards then, we've got the Meridian surround sound system, which sounds fantastic. You can adjust the bass, the tremble of the sound as well. 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Jumping inside, we'll start it up. Rumbles into action. So this is an automatic car. You can get these in a manual, but the auto just drives that little bit better. We've got a full, we'll just turn that media down. We'll close the door just to stop the beeping. So once you're inside the cabin, you're greeted with a leather multifunction steering wheel. On there is your voice command, your Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls, all the controls for the display up ahead. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 67,628 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display then, we've got our multimedia. So that's basically your full DAB radio. You've got My Video on there as well, so you can connect your phone via the USB. My Music, so obviously Bluetooth music. Clicking back through then, we've got satellite navigation, which is another nice thing of the PureTech specification. Coming through, all your Bluetooth there, so you can search for new phones. Front and rear parking sensors, as I mentioned before. Settings there, all your audio. We've got dual zone climate control. We've got heated front seats. We've got a heated front screen as well, so fantastic for those colder mornings. Hill descent, traction control, automatic stop start, electric parking brake, central scroll wheel for your gearbox. So obviously drive, push it in and to the side, that puts it into sport mode. As soon as the car's flicked into reverse, your parking sensors then engage. We've got all the selectable driving modes, so all terrain, central cup holders, 12-volt power outlet, central armrest, which is in nice order. Within there is your aux, USB and 12 volt power outlet. But inside it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. You can tell the car has been well looked after. So, if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.